Monticello today, you get to see where the slaves lived. You'll be shown where Sally Hemings's brother John did woodwork in Jefferson's bedroom and study and so forth. Slaves built that place. I never heard slaves built that place when I was growing up, but it's talked about today. The history of Monticello at this point is about half Jefferson history, half slave history. I think that's appropriate as a memorial. It tells the story of the whole man, not just this sort of godlike Thomas Jefferson we've all been raised to venerate.
What are we supposed to do with the shameful parts of America's past? This is being talked about so much today. And back in the early days of our radio show, in the late 90s, one of our contributors, Sarah Val, did a story that took that on in this very